Hey guys, and welcome to another unboxing. Here I have an order from Soul Energy, and let's see what inside. First I see is Adam's Family popping candy, cherry and strawberry. Sounds really delicious. I don't know them, so I can't wait to try it. So here we have a card. Soul Energy, body whip, soaps, bathroom gifts. If you want to see more, check her out. Her products look so good, I can't wait to try them. So here we have a thanks for my order and beneath a discount code, but I won't show it. So here we have a Halloween candy. So nice, thank you very much. So let's see. This feels a bit destroyed. Thank you. Let's see what it's here. It's a sample. So good. Mango bath bomb. It really smells like mango. And oh, we have some bath rocks. And such a cute, such a cute one. Banana bath bomb. And wow, Soul Energy. This is like a bath shot. Raspberry and vanilla. Oh, this looks so beautiful, the shimmer. Thank you so much for the sample. It's really awesome. Can't wait to try it. So this is a Halloween order, and now I know it's Halloween is passed by, but we have November, and I think in the middle of November we can take some Halloween bath bombs. So this is the Marshmallow bath bomb in pumpkin shape. It looks so good. All these beautiful colors and details. It's awesome. Really, I'm speechless. So with a bubble crumble, try to open it, but it's so good packed. I think this is so good if something is packed, because they don't come destroyed, and it's cool. So here we have this one with a skull, and I think should be flames. It's Bubble Bar Power Blast. It's such a small little cutie, but I think this would be very fun to bath with it. Here we have my all-time favorite bath bomb. This is one of the beautiful bath bombs I've ever seen. I've packed it out. So look at this one. How big is this bath bomb? It's awesome. And these details, the eyes, the flowers. This is so magical. It's beautiful. Awesome. Pumpkin pie bath bomb. It's so beautiful and it's so smart. I swear I'm so in love. We have another bubble bar. So, oh, it's like a small cheesecake. Look how beautiful. I swear I could eat it. It looks so good. Watermelon mist. It's really like small cake. So we're ready, and thank you again, Evita. I will set the link down on the description below, and maybe you could check her out. And I have some other links where you can find my discounts and my Instagram profile and TikTok, so maybe you could check it out. I would really appreciate that. And yeah, thank you for watching and have a good night, day, evening, whatever. And bye, guys.